The integral of tan is ln sec. So we could just quote that. I'm going to show you how exactly we can get to that point. We can first start by rewriting the tan as sine over cos. So this is the same thing as sine of 3x plus 1 all over cos of 3x plus 1. So this is now of the form of the integral of f dash x over f of x. Because the denominator, which is cos in this case, that differentiates to make minus sign, which is pretty much what we have here, just off by a factor. We'll correct for that factor. Our solution would therefore, if our integral is of this form, our solution would be of the form of ln of the denominator, so ln of f of x. In our case, that would be ln of cos of 3x plus 1. So let's differentiate this to find out what factor we have to put in front so that this will differentiate to make what we have here. So use the chain rule. Y is ln u, where u is cos 3x plus 1. Differentiate each part and times them together. The differential of ln u would just be 1 over u, and the differential of cos of 3x plus 1 would be minus 3 lots of sine of 3x plus 1. Simplify this. This then becomes minus 3 sine 3x plus 1 all over u, which is cos of 3x plus 1. Okay, so this is almost exactly what we have here, but off by a factor of minus 3. So let's multiply what we have here by minus a third, which carries through to the end and cancels out with the minus 3 that we have here. And now this will differentiate to make this, and therefore this integrates to make this. This is now minus a third of ln of cos of 3x plus 1. And you might notice that this is not sec. This is not ln of sec of 3x plus 1. But actually we can turn it into that by absorbing the minus sign in the logarithm. Remember the rule that if you were to have, let's say, a log x, you can rewrite this as log x to the power of a. So then, with what we have here, we can bring the minus up as a power, and this becomes a third of ln cos to the minus 1 of 3x plus 1. So again, that's just bringing up this minus sign up as a power. Cos to the power of minus 1 is the same thing as sec. So this then becomes a third of ln sec 3x plus 1 plus c. I forgot to put that plus c earlier. Let's just put that there, and this would be our final answer.